Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kikki.k haul for you. They have recently opened their shops and a lot of things are on sale. So let's go ahead and get started. I've divided this haul into different categories. We are going to start with the planners. And the first one I have is the family planner. And this is a coiled and hardbound journal that's specifically designed to be used for a home. Since I co-live with other people with different schedules, it's nice to keep track of them. So if anything comes up, I'll know where everyone is. There are several interesting pages at the back of this planner, such as a meal planner, expenses, and different kinds of things, which is pretty fun. Although it won't be useful for everyone, it's nice to have different kinds of lists at the back of your planner just in case. This planner was only $5 because it starts in January 2020, so you only get to use from August to December 2020. But for $5 and for everything that you're getting, I feel like this is such a bargain still. I really appreciate that Kikki.k includes a lot of different international public holidays from Australia and from the Philippines and so many other countries. This planner also includes a little Ziploc bag at the back that's useful for receipts and such like. The one thing that I would say about this planner is that it's hard to open and close it because the coils are shaped a little bit funny. The next planner is this study diary or student planner from the Dream Plan Do range. I did purchase the elastics separately for only $3 extra. I thought that this would be a good addition and it looks very pretty on my planner. This is a very colorful planner. I just can't get enough of how colorful it is. It's so pretty. I love it so much. It starts in January 2020, just like the last planner, so you only get to use it for a couple months, but I wanted to try this kind of planner, so I thought that for $5, this is such a great deal. The format of this planner has all of the monthlies in the front, and then for the rest of it, or the bulk of it, it is the weekly section, which is divided into different sections, just like my classic happy planner. And then at the back, you also have fun pages for specifically schoolwork. But for me, I don't get to use all of the pages, and I wish that there's just a bit more notes pages at the back. The best thing about this planner is that it is stitched. It has a textile spine, so when you open it, it lies completely flat. Time for the notebooks that I purchased. I got this giant spiral bound notebook. It comes in a pack of 3, but I've already given away 2 of them and I only kept 1, which is this one, the polka dot one. I think this is really pretty and very useful. It only has lined pages, but alright. But this is my favorite purchase ever because I didn't think that I was gonna like this. I purchased this on Monday, then I went back on Wednesday to get 4 more of these, and it's just a very simple A5 diary, daily diary. Very simple, very compact. It really helps me out a lot with structuring my day, my mind, and everything else that I feel like it needs its own video. And it's only $5. So next we have some small stationery goods, starting with this giant card, which is not very small, but it's only $2.50. And I wanted to give this to someone at the end of this week. And he's not watching this video, so it's okay. I also got this pack of sticky notes. And I wanted the stick notes for quite some time, but it was a little pricey for what you're getting. But now it's reduced and it's the perfect time to get this. Grab this now because there's not a lot of these left in shop. I feel like this is gonna sell out quickly. I also got this pack of stickers from the Dream Plan Do line, which matches my student planner, but I don't think I'm gonna use this for my student planner. But it's still pretty nice. It's very thin, so it's very good for your planner. I also got this pack of quote cards, and I already gave some of these to my friend, and it only costs about $5, and you get to have lots of things to play with. Some of them are foiled. This is also from the Dream Plan Do range. That entire range is 50% off, as well as the back to school range. So if you want anything from that line, now is the time to get it. Next are some products that I've always had my eye on, but I've never purchased them because they are quite pricey, again, for what you're getting. But it's a code card deck, and since they are on massive sale, I thought I'd pick myself up not one, but two. So this first one is from an older range. I think this is the back to school range, and it has 4 different main colors, plus some affirmation cards as well that you can write stuff down. The other one is newer, and as you will see here, there's a lot more variation with the art that they have chosen for it. So instead of just block ones, we have some different kinds of patterns, different colors, and it's just really pretty. I will also make a dedicated video on how you would be able to use this in your planner. And finally, I've purchased my very first Kikki.k tote bag. It's so nice. I've always wanted one. I've wanted one for a year. It's only $5 now, so make sure to get yourself one. For a while, we didn't know what was going to happen to Kikki.k because of their financial trouble. So now that they are open and have new financing, I am just so glad because I love Kikki.k so much. My very first planner is Kikki.k. So thank you, Kikki.k, for staying. I am so happy that I got to shop there again. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more planner related videos. Bye!